asked myself, is go-karting gonna make me a better driver? Can it? Will it make me think about things I don't normally think about when I'm driving? Is it worth the 40 to 60 bucks every time you go? Is it still fun by yourself, or is it only fun with friends? Do they feel fast? Is it gonna be lame? I wanted to find out that experience firsthand, so we're gonna go through what that is like, and we'll answer all these questions at the end of the video. You're looking at this huge mess right here because I just packaged some orders and shipped them out. The brand on the channel is called Karma Speed. We're all about building confidence in the garage, learning everything we can about each specific sports car model from before buying it to after getting it, DIY modifying it in the garage ourselves, but also just overall living that car lifestyle, and this indoor go-karting goes along with that perfectly. So let's go through it, but don't forget we have some shirts dropping in the near future very, very soon you guys are gonna like, so stay tuned in the upcoming videos and on my Instagram. Let's go through this karting experience. How it works, you can go on their website, schedule a time in advance, you pay per race. There's adult and junior. Adults, anyone that is 16 and up. Juniors, anyone below 16. You must be at least 4'6" if you're a kid. There's only single seat carts, so this is like the more serious go-karting. This is my confirmation email. The membership fee, one time every year you gotta pay it, $7. Race reservations, I did 2 races. Cost me 39 bucks, and the total came out to $52.19. My cousins, who are like my best friends, are picking me up in a sec, and we will see what this is all about. When did you get this?
Before I started practicing.
Oh, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, it's like silver flame.
What's the bottom line, real carts versus this? What's the difference?
Well, these go like 20 and real ones go like 60 to 100 miles an hour. These ones, you don't really have to worry about like spinning out as much because these tires don't really get as worn down as ours do because we're going so much faster. And the lines are a little bit different, but not much, just because you're going a little slower.
Justin and Link, and we're doing the junior race. They're a little bit slower, but we wanted to race together as a family.
So the last race I messed up. I needed to do the brake and the gas at the same time. Instead of all brake or all gas, it's both. It's called trail braking.
Keep your eyes down.
is no passing allowed. At the end of the first lap, make sure there is no traffic.
The 340 at Alford.
That was fun.
Yeah.
So you're 29.0, that's your fast lap.
Shaved off about 1.6 seconds from the very beginning, so that is a really fun time. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. You can go for as cheap as about $37 or 40 some dollars, between 30 and 40 bucks. And then like the third race I added on last minute was only $11. So they definitely get you into the first 1 to 2 races at a decent price, but then anything after that in the same day is actually relatively cheap, and you only have to pay the annual fee once. So would I go by myself? If it was my first time, I'm bored, I got nothing to do, I want to go do something that's car related, that's different, absolutely. The second time you'll probably wait till you have a friend to go with you or bring someone to go with you. But it's definitely something that I think every one of you guys should go do. It's a blast. It feels way faster than you think. The track is so tight that the 20 miles an hour we probably pick up or so feels really, really quick, because the next thing you know, you hit top speed, you're about entering the next corner, and you could probably almost drift every corner if you wanted to. But it was fun to try and keep traction. And holding the outer line before the chicane and then holding it wide open through it and then just making those little adjustments, I was able to pick up a bunch of speed because I was watching Justin in front of me hit that line so much faster. He actually made it quite a bit ways ahead of me because I still have a lot to learn. He has a lot of experience with it, so I was kind of bummed I couldn't keep up. But it's fun getting around people and trying to pass them and all that. So does it make me a better driver? Absolutely. Anything in this realm to shave time off is going to give you the mindset and the kind of what goes into it, how to take things faster, holding lines, being consistent. The fun part about kart racing specifically is like a ground level like entry to the mental game that goes into saving time on a racetrack. That lays up into real motorsports, car racing and stuff, so I'm excited to get into that as time goes on. That's definitely a life goal, to somewhat compete in some sort of track event. It does also make you think about things, you know, like we just talked about, corners, holding speed, you know, holding the brake and the gas at the same time, when to do that, when not to slide out, when you can slide out and it won't save you time. So it helps you kind of get an upper hand on learning how to be faster, how to think like someone that's a driver. Nothing but good things for you. I want to go hit K1 speed next and then rate them back to back. So if you see another kart video, look out for that. If not, make sure you join the Facebook group, Karma Speed. We're all like-minded individuals, genuine. You can get help. If you haven't DM'd me on Instagram yet and said what's up, I encourage you to do that. And check this stuff out there. Hit the subscribe button if you want to join the Karma Speed community on here. And we'll be having some fun stuff coming up. So thanks for checking out the go-kart video. And I had a blast. And I can't wait to go back and check out K1 Speed as well. So stay tuned.